You want a delicious and quick meal done in minutes? Then stick with us, because we've got you covered. In this video we will share with you one of our favorite quick meals, which we usually make when we don't have a lot of time, but we still want to eat something that is delicious and is made on fire. Preparing the ingredients is a child's play. We just need to slice some chicken breast. That's all. For the exact amount, check the description below. We start by pouring some olive oil in a hot cast iron pan. We add the chicken breast and we season it with salt and ground pepper. We let it sear until it's golden and crisp on the outside. Our meat is cooked, so we put it aside and we make our creamy cheese sauce. We add the double cream to our pan and we continue adding the fresh mozzarella to it. You can use any cheese you like. If you want it to be more fatty and creamy, then go ahead and add some butter. We stir it until it melts completely. It takes just a minute. And last, we make some toasts. We usually make our toasts the rustic way. Who doesn't love the crispy toast with a tender chicken breast and the creamy cheese sauce on top? It is simply delicious. Try it out and let us know what you think. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, or leave a comment below. See you on the next one.